MSI X570 Ace. This is the #1 rated X570 board on Newegg. Okay, this board has, I think, 178 or 188 ratings. They are all 5-star ratings. So it is the, like I said, the #1 rated. Welcome, I'm Jeff the IT guy. Today we're going to do an unboxing and an overview of the MSI MEG X570 Ace, which is actually going to be my new motherboard of choice for a Ryzen build and in preparation of Ryzen 5000. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. See what's good with it. Oh, looky there. It's a pretty nice box. Here it is. We'll look at the motherboard later after we look and see what kind of goodies are in here. Because who doesn't like to look at goodies? It comes with, you know, your MSI gaming stuff, DVD drive, nobody, or DVD, nobody has those. You get a thank you from MSI. You know, hey, you got cable labels, that's cool. Your quick installation guide, you need that if this is your first time building. It'll show you how to put the CPU and cooler on. Comes with a really, really thick manual. And then it also comes with this pretty cool bag here. So it comes with this nice MSI bag. It's not bad, it's kind of felty. It does feel a little bit cheap-ish. But hey, you know, beggars can't be choosers, am I right? So in here, you're gonna have all of your other goodies. And so it's gonna have, you know, some M.2 screws here. Who doesn't love some good M.2 screws? I know I do. I love some good M.2 screws. So you got M.2 screws. RGB cable. Got some SATA cables. MSI badge. Who doesn't like one of those? Some more RGB type stuff. Who cares about RGB? Not me. More SATA cables. And then you've got your Wi-Fi. So this does have Wi-Fi included. All right. Let's toss that to the side. Let's go ahead and take out a couple of these M.2 screws. We'll need those later for our build that we're working on in another video. And let's look and see what the board looks like. I'm hoping this thing has all the fan headers a young man can dream of. So here is the board. It's in the anti-static, so let's go ahead and take off the anti-static shielding here. It's got some tape. Sorry, I'm taking it off on camera. My bad. Tell you what, that is one nice looking board. Here it says play hard, stay silent. It's got a zero frozer here on the chipset. It's got a display right here. I forgot about that. That's just insanity. I mean, look at all this cooling here. You got heat pipes going everywhere. The PCIe slots, they all have shielding on them to make them stronger. It will house 1, 2, 3 M.2 drives, so you can have 3 M.2 drives. It's got 4, of course, RAM slots right here. 4. They also have the steel shielding on them. It does take 2 8-pins so that you can get overclocking crazy with it. AM4 chipset, of course. Let's see here. And here you've got a connector for something, probably RGB if I was guessing. Let's see here at the top. This is the top. You've got 1, 2, so you've got 2 here. Fan headers. This will be for your CPU and AIO pump. You got another header here. Here's RGB. You got another 1, 2, 3 fan headers here on the side. Your 24-pin. Okay. And here you've got a right angle USB 3. Thank you, MSI. That's fantastic. Has 4 SATA ports, so not a whole lot. So you're going to be wanting to use your M.2s. You got a readout here in case there's something wrong. You've got some other pin layouts here. Okay. You've got your USB-C right here. You've got power, reset, and this here doohickey. I think this has to do with the overclocking, automatic overclocking. Another USB 3. You've got 2 USB headers here, and you've got some other headers, and then you got another 2 fan headers there, as well as your HD audio header. So look at this bad boy. It does look good, I will have to say. It is one fine looking motherboard. Tell you what, just for y'all watching here, we'll go ahead and we'll do the peel for you. I'll do the peel for you. Look at that. Uh-oh. I might not, oh, it's in 2 pieces. Look at there. Oh, yeah. The peels. Got you a fan there. Looky. Another peel off these M.2 heat sinks. Oh yeah. The amount of peel on this board. Looky there. Just watch the peels. Even one up here on this. Oh, there we go. All right. So there you go. There's the peels. And then of course we need to look at the back here. On the I/O panel, you do have a BIOS reset, a CMOS clear, your Wi-Fi. This does include Wi-Fi 6. You've got USB 3 here. You've got USB-C, USB 3. You've got 2 LAN ports. One of these is a 2.5 gigabit. You got 2 more USB 3s. You've got a SPDIF, and then you've got your audio right here. So not a whole lot of USB 3s, but quite a bit. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does have 2.5 gig LAN if you're into that, or Ethernet. That's really cool. You've got Audio Boost HD on here. It's all shielded right here off from it. Let's look at the back. I mean, just look at this beautiful board. It is absolutely gorgeous. There is not, I mean, it's no wonder that this is the number one rated motherboard on Newegg. It has a lot of features for a high-end build. It's not cheap though. Listen, this has been my unboxing and overview of the MSI X570 MEG Ace. However it goes, it's the MEG X570 Ace. We'll be doing a review of it too after we get it in the system. Rock and roll. See y'all.